Hey guys, so today we're gonna go ahead and install the quarter louvers on the 2021 Pony. Is our new vicrez toy, so we're hooking it up with some quarter louvers today. Part number for these are VZ100289. So let's get to it. So we're gonna go ahead and start on sanding down the edges to apply the 3M. And you'll do the same thing to the other side. So now we're just gonna spray some alcohol to clean the surface to apply the 3M. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply the 3M. Now we're just gonna go ahead and cut off the excess. You'll do the same procedure on the other side. All right, so we're finally done applying the 3M tape. Please make sure to clean your area. So we're gonna go ahead and clean the window with some alcohol. We're gonna go ahead and take off the protection of the 3M. Alright. So you wanna make sure you align it right. Just follow the body lines of your car. You could also get these painted if you want, gloss black. Alright, let's go ahead and do the other side. So same thing. Take off the protection. Oh, 3M choice. That's up to you. We recommend BHP, 3M tape. That's for automotive use. Give it a nice tug to see if it actually settled in. Alright guys, so we successfully installed the quarter louvers on this pony right here. Remember that's VZ100289. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, join our Facebook groups. We do have a Mustang Facebook group as well. Leave comments below, any recommendations. See you guys next time.